So how do you know how to find your way north with a compass? Well, the best way is to put the compass against your belly so you know that both you and the compass are facing the same direction. And rotate your entire body around until the red needle is inside that red guideline arrow. We say put red in the shed. Now I know that I'm facing north. But what if I want to go in a different direction? What if I want to face, say, east? Well, to do that, take the compass, put it down, and I rotate this dial around. There's a little E right there. I'm going to put that on. Now, I'm going to do what I did before and rotate around until the red arrow is inside that red guideline. And look at that. Now I'm facing east. You can do the same thing with the numbers on the dial. You can take a bearing and be very precise about the direction you want to go. You could say, for example, I want to walk on a bearing 140, and I can take that and rotate around until the red arrow, again, is inside that red shed. Now I'm facing 140, and I know I'm facing the same direction the compass is because it's right up against my belly. That's how you take a bearing with a compass. You can use a compass to go in any direction.